For centuries we've gazed at the stars, building ever better telescopes to unlock their secrets. The James Webb Space Telescope is our most powerful tool yet, an eye in space, 1,000,000 miles from Earth, with a golden mirror collecting ancient starlight. Its mission to look back in time, to the first galaxies, and to search for signs of life on distant worlds. Each image it sends is a new chapter in our understanding of the cosmos. Scientists worldwide pore over this data, piecing together the universe's story. The telescope is more than a machine, it's a storyteller, inspiring a new generation to wonder. Patiently, it stares into the darkness, gathering faint light from the farthest reaches. Its instruments can analyze the atmospheres of distant planets, searching for hints of life. The James Webb Space Telescope is our silent partner in exploration, always searching, always discovering, and with every discovery our sense of the universe grows richer and more mysterious. On July 8, 2025, something extraordinary emerged from the telescope's data. Amid the usual cosmic noise, scientists noticed a faint, structured signal, unlike anything they'd seen before. At first it seemed like a glitch, but closer analysis revealed a genuine complex transmission. It wasn't a natural radio wave or a supernova's light, it was a deliberate pattern hidden in the void. A small team of astrophysicists, expecting nothing, stumbled upon this anomaly. The signal was incredibly faint, buried under cosmic radiation requiring weeks of careful analysis. After ruling out errors and interference, the team reached a stunning conclusion, a repeating, structured signal of unknown origin. Quiet excitement spread through the scientific community. The implications were immense, a discovery that could change our place in the universe. The world didn't know yet, but the scientists understood the gravity of what they'd found. Announcing it would require care and responsibility. This was no ordinary discovery, it was a puzzle sent across the cosmos. The universe's quiet hum now seemed to contain a deliberate, intelligent whisper. What set this transmission apart was its structure. The universe is full of signals, pulsars, quasars, cosmic static, but this was different. The signal contained a highly organized pattern, with mathematical properties suggesting intention. It was more like a language than random noise, a melody in the static. Advanced algorithms revealed layers of complexity, repeating sequences, intricate relationships, high information content. This was not a natural phenomenon. Imagine tuning a radio and, amid the static, hearing a clear, repeating melody. You'd know it was artificial. The signal's intervals followed a prime number sequence, a hallmark of intelligence. Its frequency shifted to correct for its own motion, ensuring clarity across space. This sophistication pointed to an engineered source. Never before had such mathematical precision been observed in a cosmic signal. The discovery was a beacon of order in the universe's chaos. It was a signature unlike any other, deliberate, complex and deeply mysterious. The scientific world was left both awestruck and baffled. The question was no longer if the signal was real, but what or who had sent it. The signal's origin was even more puzzling. The James Webb Space Telescope had been pointed at the Bootes void, an enormous, nearly empty region of space. Astronomers called it the Great Nothing, a cosmic desert with few galaxies. Most searches for life focus on star-rich regions, not voids. Yet here was a sophisticated signal from the heart of emptiness. It didn't come from any known galaxy, but from the darkness between them. What could generate such a transmission from a place with no visible stars or planets? The location challenged our assumptions about where to search for life. Perhaps these voids aren't as empty as we thought. Maybe they hide objects invisible to our telescopes, dark matter galaxies, ancient relics, or something else entirely. The Butte's void, once ignored, was now a region of immense interest. The universe had broken its silence in the most unexpected place. When the discovery was announced, the scientific world was stunned. Dr. Evelyn Reed, lead astrophysicist, described the moment as breathtaking. "We've spent our careers listening to the universe. This changes everything." Experts worldwide responded with a mix of caution and awe. Professor Kenji Tanaka urged rigor. "If this is what it appears to be, it's the most important discovery in human history." The data was robust, the team respected, credibility was high. Observatories everywhere turned their eyes to the Butte's void, desperate for more data. The global scientific community united, sharing resources and expertise to solve the puzzle. For many, this was the moment they dreamed of. SETI, long on the fringes, was suddenly at the center of science. Dr. Anya Sharma, a SETI leader, said, "For 50 years we listened. Today the silence is broken." The discovery transformed hope into reality. Now the real work began, deciphering the signal, understanding its source. The astonishment was universal, a shared human experience. The world stood on the brink of a new frontier. The search for meaning had never felt more urgent. The cosmos had spoken, and humanity was listening. Scientists considered every possible explanation for the signal. The most thrilling, it was from an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization. Its complexity and mathematical structure pointed to an artificial origin, perhaps a beacon or a message not meant for us. But science demands caution. Unknown natural phenomena had to be ruled out. Some theorized exotic objects, magnetars, black holes, could mimic intelligence, but none fit the data. Another idea, the signal was a relic, an echo from a long-dead civilization, still transmitting across eons. This possibility was both fascinating and bittersweet. The least likely explanation was instrumental error or interference, but exhaustive checks confirmed the signal was real and celestial. The search for answers became astronomy's central focus. Whether natural or artificial, the signal was a new piece of the cosmic puzzle. Solving it would require new ideas and bold thinking. This discovery has already changed our view of the universe. Voids, once thought empty, may hide secrets as profound as the brightest galaxies. The darkness between stars could be as important as the light. We're reminded not to assume what's possible. The cosmos is more creative and surprising than we imagined. The search for life must expand beyond Earth-like worlds. This signal forces us to rethink where and how life or technology might exist. Our definition of habitable may need rewriting. It's a paradigm shift, like when Galileo first looked at Jupiter's moons. Something in the Butte's void is capable of immense complexity. The universe is now more mysterious, more full of potential. The silence we heard may have been our own limitation,